Well, here in southern West Coast, specifically here in Vegas, anywhere that's fed by the Colorado, we have specifically in Vegas here. Let's talk about our market, right? We have the second worst water in the nation, not only in hardness but in contaminants, and then also we're a reclamation state. And what that means for homeowners here is we sanitize water with chlorine in a reclamation plant, and we have 4 times the nation's average of chlorine in our water. Yeah. And that's why you're calling me way more often than you should be.
So why is chlorine bad?
Chlorine's going to rot absolutely everything. It will eat through brass, rubber, plastics, everything your plumbing's made of.
Yeah, pretty much.